Hey guys!
Hey everybody, and today we are going around interviewing people about LGBT rights, what they think about the gay community, etc., etc.
Let's get going! 日本人の高校生2人にインタビューしたいと思います。
Hi, we are here today with
Johanna. I'm originally from London, but now I live in Jerusalem in Israel.
I'm Peiyuan from Singapore.
日本人ですか、お二人さん。お年は何年代ですか？20代。
Sweden,
yeah.
神奈川県です。
神奈川県です。
Italy.
Australia.
Very cool.
LGBT という言葉を聞いたことはありますか？
LGBT はないです。
なかったです私。知らないね。
ゲイについてはご存知ですか？なんとなく。
Are you guys aware of the whole LGBT situation here in Shibuya at all?
No, I had no idea.
知らないです。
知らない。
I read it in an article actually, but I don't know much about it. So.
日本全土でこの同性婚を認められると思いますか？いずれ。
なんか少子化が問題になってるんで、あんまりそれは認められないんじゃないかなと思います。
まあすぐではないと思いますけど、まあいつかはなってもおかしくないかなとは思います。それに対していい印象がないって思い込んじゃってる人がいるから、それを覆すのが難しいのかなって思います。
There's a lot more older people who are more interested in politics and are more the ones to vote and to have a say, whereas young people are just sort of an emerging sort of community, so they might not have a bigger say in it. So the government's probably leaning towards not really allowing it because the majority of the population would support that possibly.
I guess, well, my impression of Japan is that it's a bit like two countries. I mean, the old country with all the temples and all that stuff, and then you have like the new country with Shibuya and Harajuku, and I guess there is a clash there. I don't know how long it's going to take for that to.
It feels like it can be moving quite fast from now. Maybe if people are liberal, then I think it will follow.
Tell us something about the LGBT community in Jerusalem.
Yeah, sure. So it's a really interesting place actually because, as you might know, Tel Aviv, which is 45 minutes away from Jerusalem, has been voted the gay capital of the world several times. You can completely be whoever you are, and there's like a lot of like gay bars and gay clubs, and there's a big gay scene. Jerusalem, on the other hand, it's got a much more religious community overall, and that's religious Jewish, Christian, and Muslim. And so traditionally, the LGBT community has not been so able to be public and to be celebrated.
In Sweden, I guess we're very liberal. No one really cares.
I think in Singapore it's illegal. Yeah.
At the moment it's not legal, like to get married, obviously, but there is a huge gay and lesbian community in Australia, especially where I'm from, Sydney, and it's really supported and very embraced, and I wouldn't be surprised if there's a law passed soon where they can get married, or if not, maybe people are going to fight for it because people are very, very passionate about it where I'm from.
Right now in Italy, like this is a big issue. Like in the past months, they have been talking about it. Like in the parliament, they are proposing a law because right now we have like a civil union, so it's not marriage, and people can't adopt child, so it's a little controversial.
There is a Pink Dot event in Singapore where it's held once a year around there. So it's where people who support LGBT, yeah, they support it and they gather around there wearing pink shirts and just like it's just an event over there.
What are your thoughts about gay people, lesbian people in Japan?
全然いいと思います。
I wholeheartedly support all kinds of love.
Here in Japan, like anyone can be dressed as they want, and like you see a lot of different kind of people. So I think that right now, like today, Japanese society should be ready for this step. Like this is my opinion.